What if the secret to China's economic miracle is also the biggest obstacle to its future? For decades, Beijing played a masterful game, managing its currency, the yuan, to become the world's factory. But now it's making a new bet, and the stakes are in the trillions. The prize? A spot for the yuan on the world stage, chipping away at the US dollar's dominance. This is the story of a fundamental conflict at the heart of the world's second largest economy. A high-stakes tug-of-war between being the world's workshop and the world's banker. The outcome of this gamble could reshape global power for the next century. For years, the logic was brutally effective. A managed, competitive yuan acted like a permanent discount on Chinese goods, helping build the most powerful export machine in history. This strategy has been wildly successful, culminating in a colossal global trade surplus that neared a record-breaking $1 trillion in 2024. This export engine is a massive driver of China's GDP growth, but it also highlights a deep reliance on foreign customers. This kind of success has a dangerous side effect, a massive imbalance that creates immense pressure from trading partners and risks fueling trade wars. The old model, while incredibly powerful, is showing its age. So, Beijing is pivoting to a new, much riskier ambition, making the yuan a global currency. The goal isn't necessarily to dethrone the dollar, but to offer a credible alternative and insulate China from US financial pressure, a concern that shot to the top of the agenda after sanctions were leveled against Russia. A truly global yuan would let China borrow in its own currency, settle trade on its own terms, and project financial power. But here's the catch. A global currency needs to be strong, stable, and widely available. The exact opposite of the tightly controlled, export-friendly currency that built modern China. To solve this puzzle, China is rolling out a new financial arsenal. It built CEPs, a payment system designed to clear and settle transactions in yuan, operating as a counterpart to the dollar-based SWIFT messaging network. It has inked currency swap deals with dozens of central banks, allowing them to trade directly in yuan. And it's pioneering the digital yuan, or ECNY, a form of central bank digital currency that aims to make payments more efficient and could one day offer a new channel for cross-border transactions. These aren't minor adjustments. They are the foundational plumbing for a new economic landscape. This brings us back to the trillion-dollar gamble. China is trying to have it both ways. A controlled currency to keep its export machine humming, and a trusted open currency for the rest of the world. But the pressures are building. With its trade surplus ballooning, analysts expect the yuan to face significant strengthening pressure through 2026. Some forecasts even see it appreciating to levels around 6.6 to the dollar by the end of that year. This is the core of the conflict. Can Beijing rewrite the rules of international finance, or will its ambition ultimately force a choice that will shake the global economy? If you want to understand the economic shifts that will define our future, make sure you subscribe for more breakdowns like this one. Thanks for watching.